Hello everyone, and welcome to Easy English Hub. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of fruits and vegetables. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more English lessons. Let's start with fruits. Listen and repeat after me. Apple, banana, orange, grapes, strawberry, pineapple, watermelon, mango, kiwi, pear, lemon, lime, cherry, peach, plum, raspberry, blueberry, avocado, coconut, fig, papaya. Now, let's discover some common vegetables together. Listen and repeat after me. Carrot, potato, tomato, lettuce, spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, peas, bell pepper, onion, garlic, eggplant, zucchini, pumpkin, sweet potato, celery, radish, green beans, asparagus. Great job, everyone! You've learned some common fruits and vegetables in English. Here is our lesson summary. You can pause the video and practice saying these words one more time. Thank you for joining our lesson today. See you next time. Happy learning!